Hey, what's up, everybody? This is our first day on the road. We are at Sylvan Lake State Park in Colorado. We're just outside of Eagle, Colorado, about 15 miles south. It's an absolutely super secluded, beautiful lake campground. We did a little bit of a hike. We took the dogs out for a while. We had been here a couple months ago, right around my birthday. And the weather was totally different. It was like 75, 80 degrees, sunny every day. We did a bunch of kayaking and paddleboarding today. It's a lot cooler than that, probably a high of maybe it hit 60. And it's definitely fall time now, so like leaves are off the trees, but it's still super pretty. This is one of our favorite spots we found to camp so far in Colorado. We got in kind of late last night, sort of threw things together, and then after breakfast this morning, we took off and went for a hike. Hence, everything in here kind of being a disaster because we were just sort of like, we gotta go. So anyway, check it out, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers.
Good times for a change. See, the luck I've had can make a good man turn bad. So please, 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 let me get what I want this time.
We are going on an adventure.
Haven't had a dream in a long time. See, the
Ready for your hike?
life I've had can make a good man
Where are we going?
bad.
Oh, where you wanna go?
So for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the first time. Lord knows it would be the first time.